Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm going to cover how to multiply negative fractions. And multiplying negative fractions is the same process as multiplying positive fractions. We multiply straight across. The only difference we need to make sure we have the correct sign for our product. So the rules for multiplying positive and negative integers apply to fractions as well. So multiplying different signs will equal a negative result, meaning positive times a negative or a negative times a positive will give us a negative result. Now, on the other hand, multiplying the same signs will give us a positive result, meaning positive times positive or negative times negative will give us a positive result. Let's jump into our example, starting with number 1, where we have 1/4 times minus 3/5. So, again, multiply straight across, so let's multiply our numerators first. We do 1 times minus 3 equals minus 3. Now let's multiply these straight across. 4 times 5 equals 20, like this. So this would be our final answer, because we don't have to simplify this one, because it is already in the simplest form. Now I'm going to show you how it may occur differently with the minus symbol. You can get the problem also like this: 1/4 times minus 3/20. So you can always get it like this, but it's basically going to be the same, but the minus is in a different space. So again, we multiply straight across. 1 times 3 equals 3. 4 times 20. Oh, my bad, guys. This was supposed to be a 5, not a 20, like this. So 4 times 5 equals 20, but it is negative, and we're multiplying positive by negative, so the whole answer will be negative. So negative 3/20. Also, you can get the problem like this. Instead of the minus here, you can get the minus at the denominator. Like this, the minus won't be right here, it would be right here. So you can get it in 3 different ways where they put the minus, but it's always the same method we're going to use. Just multiply straight across and simplify if needed. So, on to the second example. Let's move this to the left a bit. On to the second example. We have minus 7 ninths times minus 2 sixths. So, we multiply straight across as usual. Minus 7 times minus 2 equals 14. Because we're doing minus times minus, that will equal positive. I said this in the beginning of the video, so if you don't understand it, you can just rewind back a bit and you will hear me say it again. So now to the denominators. 9 times 6 equals 54. So this is almost our final answer, because we can simplify this. To simplify, we can do divided by 2 on both of them. Divided by 2. Then we will get 14 divided by 2, it's 7. And 54 divided by 2 equals 27. So this will be our final answer of the first one. And if you're a bit confused on why it isn't negative, because you see 2 negative numbers here, it's because negative times negative equals positive, and positive times positive equals also positive. But if they are mixed, so negative times positive, it's a negative number. So again, you can get this in different ways. You can get it like this: minus 7 ninths times, like this, minus 2 sixths. This will give you a different answer because the minus is in a different spot. And also, you can get it like this, where the denominator is minus instead of the numerator or the whole fraction. And again, you will have a different question and a sort of different answer, just the only difference is you put the minus somewhere else. So this was basically it on how to multiply negative fractions. I also made a video on how to divide negative fractions. It's a bit harder than multiplying. You can look at my channel and you can see that video. So this was the video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, you can leave a thumbs up. And if you didn't, still leave a thumbs up because just support the creator. And if you have any questions, you can ask them in the comments, subscribe to the channel. And this was Mr. Mathz, and I will see you guys in the next video. Ciao.